Sir, I know that 11 people died. I know that 11
Yeah, please remind them that. Please remind them that.
I think that is
Please
more
remind
important.
them that. May I please
Yeah.
come in? I believe my name has been called. It's been less than 1 year since we lost 11 lives because of security lapses that your government had with its administration. It's been less than a year since 11 people died because you wanted to have a celebration for a private IPL team, not the Karnataka Ranji team, private IPL team. That it was, that celebration was needed to be done on the steps of the Vidhan Saudha so that the chief minister's grandson could get a selfie with Virat Kohli. Let me remind you. And then you say it is our land. It's not our land. It is the people's land. It's not the government land. It is the people's land.
No, Surabhi, but, Surabhi, I have to ask you this. Who raised this point about less rent in the assembly first? Wasn't it R. Ashoka? Wasn't he upset and angry that there were... Wasn't it R. Ashoka? BJP's R. Ashoka?
There has been clarification from both Mr. R. Ashok as well as from the party that is not the... giving free tickets to MLAs is not the priority.
But didn't he raise it on record in the assembly?
The priority is ensuring that people who are going to Chinnaswamy Stadium are safe and secure. The priority is ensuring that everybody who deserves to have a ticket because they can afford it is there. It is not free tickets to legislators. That is not the priority. I refuse.
Sure, Tejaswi Surya did come out very strongly and rebuff this entire free ticket quota culture. But before you take the high ground, it's on record. It's in assembly record that it was R. Ashoka who really spoke about this extremely high rent that has been given.
It is also on record that the conversation post that where he clarifies as well as the party clarifies that the priority should be ensuring that the match is, takes precedence, the match security takes precedence and people have access to tickets, that takes precedence, not MLAs getting free tickets.
Precedence, yes, but free ticket also, yes.
Having said that, today's conversation on why this has been shifted to Ahmedabad is not, it has very little to do with why Ahmedabad is, why Bengaluru is a better venue or Ahmedabad is a better venue. The truth of the matter is that you took a long time after the incidents last year to ensure that Bengaluru is prepared to host the matches. You also took a long time for the Justice Kunna committee report to come out, for everything to be sorted out. You also took a long time for justice to be, justice has not been served because 11 lives lost, nothing has happened on that front. There has been complete...
I don't know where you got it. Was actually I don't know where you are getting that from, Surabhi, because it was certified, it was accredited, there was a committee that was set up and said you can have matches here. You can have matches here. Correct me, Shekhar Vijayan. Isn't that what happened? Yeah, it was officially said, it was tested, certified, all of that done, that matches can happen officially again, and that's why it was scheduled. Otherwise, it would not have been scheduled. It never has scheduled. I don't know where you're getting this from, Surabhi Horigere.
Public information, which has the Kunna committee report took its time. It did not give a clear verdict as to whether Bengaluru's safety concerns whether the concerns of what happened on that unfateful day after the last IPL were allowed for. Even the Congress government was contemplating, can Chinnaswamy Stadium truly handle the kind of crowds or not?
That is off the past.
New stadium elsewhere or not?
That is off the past. That is off the past. That's a matter that has been put to rest. It has now been officially said, and IPL, the organizing committee completely went ahead and approved of Chinnaswamy as the stadium. Come in, Shekhar Vijayan, at this point.
The only
no, let Shekhar Vijayan speak.
Yeah, Surabhi, let me just have a word in. See the point of the matter is, once the security committee came in and gave it a go ahead, that's why the matches happened in the IPL. The first match was played in the was played in Chinnaswamy Stadium. So Chinnaswamy Stadium had the first game, and then all the subsequent games happened after that. Right now, the situation is because of what our elected representatives have done. Because of that, the situation is so bad that we cannot have the match back in Chinnaswamy Stadium. Also, the seating capacity is a point of major concern. There is also a problem here when you're doing a finals, you want to host it in a place like Ahmedabad because they've hosted in the finals. There is a certain amount of perception which is there because last year, because of the stampede which happened, 11 lives were lost. There's a perception which is there. You want to host a final back there in Ahmedabad. But I think it also boils down to what the fans really want. At the end of the day, the fans are the losers here. At the end of the day, because of the churlish demands of our elected representatives, the fans are paying the brunt for this.
Can I come in here?
Prakash, go ahead.
Yeah, can I come in, please?
Go ahead. Last 1 minute. Go ahead.
Don't belittle people of Karnataka. Don't belittle
Belittling
KCA.
people of
KCA has
Karnataka.
handled hundreds of matches. 25 years back only, they hosted a semi-final of the World Cup. So don't belittle people. KCA.
Can I ask a question here? Yet, why is it that when RCB won, we lost 11 lives? Why is it that
No. Listen. Those are questions that
was
have
in
been
the front
asked.
of the
Those are
state.
questions on which we really went hammer and tongs. Those questions have been asked, as unfortunate as that reality was.
But there has been no
harsh
answer,
reality.
ma'am.
No. My
There is
question
no
today, no.
answer. What is the
I will not allow
answer?
this debate to get derailed. My question is one. Can netas stop their entitlement? Satya Prakash, you are part of an organization in Karnataka, an institution in Karnataka. You are part of Congress in Karnataka. You are part of the government in Karnataka, Satya Prakash. Somebody should have come down and really said, why are you doing this?
See, netas are ready to sacrifice provided all the KCA members also sacrifice their tickets.
Come on.
A
Why is there a
normal,
media always on this?
If you don't allow me to speak, how can I put my point? A normal guy who runs a canteen in KSCA is selling tickets, thousands of tickets. All the members are looting money. The government, we are not asking tickets only for Congress MLAs, no? I am telling you,
if the government
BJP
is-
President Mr. Vijayendra Yediyurappa along with his family and his father watched IPL cricket. The JDS MLAs watched IPL cricket, and even our party also watched.
No,
The
why?
speaker took the decision.
No, I really believe, I think political parties cannot be so thick-skinned. They got to have their ear on the ground and they've got to understand the sentiment of voters. This whole entitlement of freebies for taxpayers' money has to stop, Satya Prakash, whether it be a Congress government or any government. This has to stop. Bengaluru cannot have this. No place, no sports lover can really have this. I can't look at you eye to eye on this point. Politics one side, sports one side, VIP Giri one side. I can't back VIP Giri. Satya Prakash, I can't back VIP Giri. Very quickly.
That's the only reason that the final has been shifted from Bangalore to Ahmedabad. Let Mr. Jay Shah give it in writing that just because the MLAs and MLCs of Karnataka have asked for free tickets, we have changed the location.
Surabhi
from
Hodigari,
Bangalore
respond to
to
that.
Ahmedabad.
BCCI,
Let Mr. Jay Shah give it in
can I
writing.
please come in, Mr. Satya Prakash? My name has
Let
been
Mr.
called,
Jay
sir.
Shah give it in
May I
Surabhi
please
Hodigari,
respond? I
respond
respond
to
to your
that.
question.
Okay,
The
Satya Prakash,
BCCI
now
has
let's
very
hear the answer.
clearly stated, the BCCI has very clearly stated, I'm not a spokesperson for the BCCI, but their statement itself reads that because of unreasonable demands of the local authorities, they have actually saved your face, because the government going all out to ask for making sure that at least 3 tickets we will get, if not 5 tickets. And the way that the MLA in the Congress asked for it was as if it was our right. I'm saying very clearly from the BJP, it is not our right. This is people should have access to the tickets.
Okay,
Hang on,
okay,
let me
okay.
finish.
Last-
It has
last-
been very clearly stated in BCCI from the statement.
All right, last
It is
30
now up
seconds,
to you
Shekhar
to
Vijay, make your
respond
point.
to that.
I think you have the right to make your last point. Shekhar Vijay, make your point.
I think it all boils down to two things.
Satya, I gave you a lot of time, Satya. Let Shekhar Vijay speak.
Yeah, I think it all boils down to one singular point, which is VIP culture versus fan culture. We have had
Absolutely.
VIP
I'm
culture,
with you on this.
which is omnipresent across India, and this is just an example of it. The fact of the matter, like I've said right at the beginning of the show, it's the fans who are facing the brunt of it. The people who stand in the line, the people who book the tickets online, they are not able to watch their cricketing heroes in action in Bangalore, and it's a shame. Bangalore won this trophy after 18 years. They cannot watch it back there in Chinnaswamy Stadium, all because of how our elected representatives really behaved, really asked for things which were not there. So it's a total freebie culture versus VIP culture versus the fan culture. And it is very embarrassing. It's a very, very sorry state of affairs.
Satya Prakash, Surabhi Hodigere, Shekhar Vijay, thank you for your time. I think a message needs to go loud and clear. VIP Giri needs to stop.